didn't see you there. What's up and welcome back. What's up everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, probably Tuesday or Wednesday, so I thought today was Friday for some reason, but yeah. So basically what I'm going to do today is I'm going to teach my dog a new trick. And if you know me, I do have 2 dogs, so I'm going to be teaching Lola a new trick. So yeah, I'm going to look up what kind of trick, because she knows a lot of tricks, which I'll be showing you right now. Stand, sit, lay down, arm across, sit, beg, good job, sit, get it, good job, come here, sit, sit, beg, beg, good job. So basically I just figured out that I'm going to teach her how to bow. Stay tuned, and after I eat my chicken nuggets, I will go and teach her the trick. Lola. My treat. Sit. Sit. Beg. Good girl. Beg. Beg. Good girl. Beg. Beg. Good girl. Beg. Good girl. Good girl. Beg. Good job. Ow. No. Be gentle. No. Stop. Apparently, you have to do this. Stop. Come here. Sit. Sit. Come here. Stop. Stop. Come here. Stop. Stop. Don't eat that one. Come here. Place. Good job. So I just decided we're gonna teach her place. Yes. Good job. Good job. Yes. Good job. Good job. Place. Good job. Good job. Place. Good job. Nice. Lay down. Good job. There you go. Good job. Place. Good job. Good job. Place. Good job. Place. Good job. Good girl. Place. Good job. Oh, come here. Oh my god. Basically, this one, what am I saying? Why do I do this every video? Hope you can hear me. You wanna go to the walk? Come here. You gotta eat it. Hey, eat it. Eat it. Beg? No. Get it. Get it. Get it. You know how to do it. Get it. Lola, get it. She's just running. Ow! Lola, lay down. Lay down. Oh, it's hot. It's very hot. Ow! Gosh. Place. 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 Big bug. You're moving the camera, man. Come on. Dude. Dude. You moved the camera. Good job. Oh my god.